Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Karikku pudding. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need the refreshing water and tender pulp from 2 to 3 young coconuts. For the base, have ready 1 cup of full-fat milk, about half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. A pinch of cardamom powder will add a lovely fragrance. Ensure all ingredients are measured precisely for a perfect pudding. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient. Carefully separate the tender coconut water from its delicate pulp. Take about half of the coconut pulp and blend it with a 1/4 cup of the coconut water until smooth. This creates a rich, creamy base. Dice the remaining pulp into small, uniform pieces. These will add a delightful texture to your pudding. This step ensures a balanced coconut flavor throughout. Next, we'll cook the pudding mixture. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Whisk these together until smooth. Cook this over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Then, gently fold in the blended coconut pulp and the diced coconut pieces. Stir well to combine all the flavors. Finally, it's time to set and serve your delicious Karikku pudding. Carefully pour the warm mixture into individual serving bowls or a single large dish. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then, transfer the bowls to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until firmly set. Before serving, you can garnish with fresh coconut shavings or a sprinkle of chopped pistachios for an elegant touch. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.